Today, we're taking a closer look at the MOROVOL PC case, a stylish and functional mid-tower chassis designed for gamers and PC builders who want both performance and aesthetics. This case comes pre-installed with 4 RGB fans, a diamond-shaped mesh front panel for optimal airflow, and a sleek tempered glass side panel to showcase your build. Whether you're assembling a high-powered gaming rig or a sleek workstation, this case promises to deliver a balance of form and function. One of the standout features of the MOROVOL PC case is its attention to cooling and airflow. The diamond-shaped mesh front panel isn't just visually striking, it's practical, allowing for excellent air intake to keep your components running cool. The 4 pre-installed RGB fans are a huge bonus, saving you the hassle and cost of adding them separately. They're customizable, so you can sync them with your motherboard's lighting software for a personalized look. The case supports ATX motherboards and offers ample space for cable management, making the building process smoother. Plus, the USB 3.0 ports on the front panel add convenience for quick access to peripherals. In real-world use, this case shines for its ease of assembly and thermal performance. The spacious interior accommodates large GPUs and CPU coolers, and the airflow design helps maintain lower temperatures during intense gaming sessions. The tempered glass side panel is a nice touch, giving your build a premium showcase, though it's worth handling with care to avoid scratches. Users have praised the tool-free design for drive bays, which simplifies installation. However, there are a few minor drawbacks. The RGB controller included is basic, so for advanced lighting effects, you might want to connect the fans to a compatible motherboard. Additionally, while the mesh front is great for airflow, it may require occasional cleaning to prevent dust buildup. Compared to similar cases in its price range, like the NZXT H510 or the Cooler Master Masterbox TD500, the MOROVOL PC case holds its own with its unique design and included RGB fans. It's a more budget-friendly option for those who want RGB lighting right out of the box without sacrificing airflow. Where it falls slightly short is in brand recognition compared to established names, but it makes up for it with value and features. To get the most out of this case, consider adding a few extra touches. Pair it with an aftermarket RGB controller if you want more lighting customization, and invest in a magnetic dust filter for the top panel to keep dust at bay. Cable management is straightforward, but taking the time to route wires neatly will enhance both aesthetics and airflow. Overall, the MOROVOL PC case is a fantastic choice for budget-conscious builders who don't want to compromise on style or performance. It's ideal for gamers, content creators, or anyone looking for a visually appealing case with solid airflow and easy assembly. If you're in the market for a mid-tower case that offers great value and eye-catching design, this one deserves a spot on your shortlist. Thanks for tuning in.